Alright, now let me show you two clever timer features on this compact heater: the auto shut-off timer and the wake-up timer. Let's say it's 11 p.m. and I'm getting ready for bed. I switch the heater to AU mode, which is energy efficient and wonderfully quiet, perfect for sleeping. I also turn the temperature down to 28 centigrade, just the way I like it at night. Now, I want the heater to automatically kick in at full power in the morning, so it warms up the room before I get out of bed and get ready for work. That's where the wake-up timer comes in. I'll set it for 8 hours. You'll see AL and 08 flash alternatively 3 times. That means the wake-up timer is successfully set. So, at 6:40 a.m., the heater will automatically enter wake-up mode and start heating at full power. But here's the thing: I want complete silence while I sleep. So, I'll also set the auto shut-off timer to turn the heater off in 2 hours. You'll see 02 flash 3 times. That confirms the auto shut-off timer is set. The heater will switch off automatically at 1 a.m. And there it goes. The auto shut-off timer has kicked in and the heater is turning off on its own. Now, it's 6:40 a.m. and the wake-up timer has been triggered. The heater actually turned itself on 20 minutes earlier, switching to high heat mode, setting the temperature to 35 centigrade, and disabling the external temperature probe to focus purely on heating the room. After 20 minutes of full power heating, your room feels lovely and warm when your alarm goes off. No more shivering as you climb out from under the duvet. After running for an hour, it switches off automatically, so even if you are in a rush to catch a train or flight, there is no need to worry about leaving it on. It's a smart, safe, and energy efficient solution.